River's pride. Once the river said to the sea in very proud words, "Tell me, what can I bring for you with the tremendous speed of water? If you want, I can uproot mountains, houses, trees, animals, humans, etc., and bring them." The sea understood that the river has become arrogant. It said, "If you want to bring something for me, then uproot some grass and bring it." Hearing the sea, the river said, "That's it, I will present it to you right now." The river used the tremendous flow of its water to uproot the grass, but the grass did not get uprooted. The river did not give up and tried again and again, but the grass would repeatedly bow down to the speed of the water and avoid getting uprooted. The river did not succeed. Tired and disappointed, the river reached the ocean and, bowing its head, said, "I can bring houses, trees, mountains, animals, humans, etc. by floating them, but I cannot uproot the grass because whenever I hit the grass with a great force, it bent down and saved itself, and I came out empty handed." On hearing the river, the ocean smiled and said, "Those who are hard and easily uprooted, but the one who has learned humility like grass cannot be defeated even with great force." On hearing the ocean, the pride of the river was also shattered. Humility means one who is flexible, who bends easily, he does not break. Humility is the art of living. It is the culmination of bravery. Humility is the respect of all. Humility is the zeal of every successful person. Humility is greatness. If you want to be big in the world, you should adopt humility. You can win the world with humility. Even after achieving the highest goals, one should stay away from ego and remain humble. In the absence of humility, a person, even if he is high in position, remains a statue of arrogance and is not worthy of anyone's respect. Whatever the place, a humble person gets respect everywhere. Where there is opposition, where resistance and force cannot work, solution of problems is possible only with humility. True love cannot be found without humility. The person who stays away from ego and hardness of speech becomes the most loved.